Hello, I'm Thomas Jefferson Wedge from Ray White Dalkeith Claremont. And today I'm coming to you from Penthouse 149 in the beautiful Aria development in Swanbourne, Western Australia. There is so much to love about the coastal suburb of Swanbourne. There's so much to love about being in Aria. However, in this double-story penthouse, I believe it has one of the most unique and defining characteristics of all of the penthouses. It's got a distinctive double void that just invites the outdoors in, bathing this entire property in natural light. But I'm going to let the views speak for themselves. Looking into this apartment, you have so much floor-to-ceiling window from the ground floor, but also from the first floor. The light just cascading in, facing directly east. You'll see all the way to the Perth Hills, which is a stunning view. You'll see the city skyline of downtown Perth CBD. And at night, when all the lights light up, it's just spectacular. You can see north to Subiaco. You can see south to Claremont Quarter over the Claremont Showgrounds. And you know what? During the holiday season and in January, whether it's Christmas, New Year's, or even Australia Day, you've got a front row seat for the most spectacular fireworks in all of the Perth area. And right off of this main living area, we have the master bedroom, also with views directly east with views of the city. Walk-in robes, as well as a very large ensuite with gorgeous deep bathtub, rain shower, double vanity. There's just so much space. You'll never want to leave that ensuite. And what's really great too is in this master bedroom, you actually have access directly out onto the patio that is here on the main level. Very spacious wraparound, 24 square meters outside here. Also, the third bedroom has access into the patio, but let's come back inside. Here's the open plan kitchen with double sink, stone countertops, stone backsplash Miele induction cooktop. Close this. You also have the coffee maker, Miele coffee maker. I love this. You have steam oven, microwave, 600 ml oven. You have integrated fridge freezer, which I absolutely love. How clean and sleek that looks. Beautiful, large, light stone tile flooring throughout. And when we come back over here, I'm going to have you peek into the separate laundry room with Miele appliances, washer and dryer, lots of storage, linen cabinets. Here you have powder room for your guests. The second bedroom, which also gives you some great views east and north. And then the second bathroom. And then into the third bedroom, very spacious. You can easily get a king in here. You also have access directly out onto that patio looking north, beautiful lights. And then right over here, you have the walk-in robes. And if we continue, we'll go upstairs. Now this second living space upstairs is so great because it's got great separation from the living below. 41 square meters approximately up here, which can be an entertaining space. You make it into an office space, a guest retreat if you need when you have guests come over, but also with that sweeping panoramic views over north and east. And then once we come outside, we have the double retractable doors with the outdoor kitchen space, which you have, there is no gas obviously at Aria. It's a new development, so it's all electric, but you can have your own small gas Weber here. You've got the refrigerator, dining space, newly installed fan. And once we come over here, there's gonna be a lot of sunlight. It's a gorgeous autumn day. It's also very private up here because you don't have a double story right next to you. So you're right here on the end. You don't have anyone looking into your space really over here, and you're overlooking the common areas, the playing fields. And over here, is yet another outdoor living space. So you've got multiple outdoor places for groups to gather with family. There's one there, second, the third downstairs. There's just so much space up here. And still looking directly east with that beautiful view, panorama over the city of Perth. You can see over to Subiaco, directly east across the Claremont Showgrounds, and to the south, you've got views over past Lake Claremont and Claremont Quarter. Thank you so much for walking through Penthouse 149 with me. If you have any further questions or would like to book a private inspection, please call or text me at 0416-657-300. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. My name is Thomas Jefferson Wedge, and it would be a pleasure to serve you.